Hi there, if you're over 50 and looking to stay fit and fabulous, I've got some great tips for you. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, stay active. Whether it's walking, dancing or gardening, find something you love and stick with it. Consistency is key. Tip 2, strength training. It's not just for the young folks. Lifting weights, even light ones, can help maintain muscle mass and improve bone density. Now on to tip 3, balance exercises. Try yoga or Tai Chi. These can improve your balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. Tip 4, stay hydrated. As we age, our sense of thirst might diminish. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Tip 5, eat a balanced diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains. It's not about dieting, it's about nourishing your body. Tip 6, get plenty of sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours a night. Quality sleep is essential for overall health. Tip 7, keep your mind sharp. Engage in activities that challenge your brain. Puzzles, reading, or even learning a new language can help. Tip 8, manage stress. Practice mindfulness, meditate, or simply take time to relax. Stress can wreak havoc on your health. Tip 9, regular checkups. Don't skip those doctor visits. Regular screenings and checkups can catch issues early. And finally, tip 10, stay social. Engage with friends and family. Join clubs or groups. Social interactions are vital for your mental well-being, so there you have it, 10 tips to stay fit after 50. Remember, it's never too late to start living a healthier life. Take small steps, stay positive, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous.